So guys, I'm gonna delete this account. This one, Bini Maloy Bebe, Abulus Raul 5869. So apparently Abulus Raul is my daddy's account. So if I have a play button or something, it's gonna deliver to him and not my name. So I'm gonna delete my account and made a new one. It's my name. I think I'm gonna name it Vivian. I'm just gonna post. If you see a post anywhere, it's like I'm gonna post like Beanie. Okay? I'm gonna post Beanie. Just find my account, okay? I'm gonna post this picture so you can see. Okay? So you can see this is my account. Okay? Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye subscribers. Bye.